Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see the third part of training, how the staff can do the collection. So just have a look. So from the HR management, I will go to the access control list. So here let's select the Raj Mehra. So I have given few access to him. Loan collection list all, and group collection list. Now whatever access we want, just we can and give to the staff. Now let's go to the HR management employee. So here we have created employee ID. So just I will copy this, and from the customer summary we can check whatever customer we have assigned to Raj Mehra. So there is only one customer that assigned to Raj Mehra. Now I will assign few customer to Raj Mehra. So let's go Gauri. This staff I want to ship this to Raj Mehra. So I will just assign this customer to Raj Mehra. So Janvi Jadhav also I will assign to Raj. Now let's go to the Raj Mehra's login. So from here we can see this is employee login Raj, and I will go to the field collection, loan collection list. So here you can see 2 loans are due. Now we can receive this EMI from here 1200. So Bank of Baroda, the transaction mode we can write down RTGS and just receive 1200. So we have he has received 1200. Now let's go back to the admin login. So the admin can check from the collection report So here you can see Raj Mehra has done collection. So the admin can just check, he can verify this amount in a one click. He can check just click to the hyperlink of Raj Mehra, and we can check the details of all the customer, the detailed report. So this type the collection will be done. So you can check collection by month wise, day wise, collection in detail. So in detail also you can check. I will just refresh. So in total you will get the hyperlink. So here also you will get the idea of all the collection. So collection by group and daily collection too. Here also you can check reports using different filters. So this type we can do the collection part also, we can manage very easily in Jainam software. And whatever, so this and done. So this is loan account 20. So let's search this loan number. If you check here in the 1200 we have received success. So you can check the RTGS 300 received by Raj Mehra. The installment tracker also will reflect same. So the first EMI received successfully 1200. So this type every installment and every you can check from the customer. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I will come soon. Have a great day.